Hello students, now I'm going to discuss about the flow cytometry, that is the one of the laser based technology which we are using for the counting of microbial cell, right? So that's a very advanced technique that is called flow cytometry, right? So in this flow cytometer basically we are using, in that it's all about the fluorescence, right? So fluorescence which we are going to observe, right? Because from any of the culture which we have done, right, from here when we are going to take the sample, right, sample, and we are making it into the form of suspension, because ultimately we are and in flow cytometry and flow cytometer we are going to load the sample, right? Here whenever we are going to load the sample and at the same time we are passing the light, right? When we are passing the light, so here one thing we are doing, when we are making the sample, we are adding the dye dye or any reagent or any labeled compound, right? Labeled thing, right? So here what is happening here, target cell, we need to know, first of all you should know the what is the target cell which we want to count, right? Which we want to count, right? What is the number? So when we are labeled this particular cell, the target cell with the dye, and we know that what is the going to be the fluorescence or how it is going to absorb, that we are, so whenever we are, suppose here we are adding the different types of cells from the mixed culture, and this is going to pass through this tube, okay? So this is the red one, it is the target, our target cell which we have labeled with the particular types of reagent or dye, and there are so many other types of cell also which may pass through the your flow cytometer, right? So whenever we are passing any light, right, because this is the laser based technology, so this particular target cell, it is going to give you the specific fluorescence, right? So these fluorescence we are going to record, right? Record. So then this has already given one fluorescence, then this second one it is giving, then third one it is giving, fourth one. So likewise, and whenever this light will pass through the green type of another cell, it is going to give the another type of fluorescence, right? Because the component here also we are going to get the fluorescence, right? So the both the cell, the red type of cells and the blue types of cell, right? Both the cells are going to give the different fluorescence, right? And that we are going to count that number, what is the number it is here and what is the number it is here in another cell, right? So with this light, the intensity of the light, it is whenever it is passing through the cell will give certain fluorescence, it will reflect the light at a certain nm, right? So that we are going to record in flow cytometer, and that will indicate the number or the quantity of the cell, the labeled cell which we have already targeted, that how much it is present into the particular cultured growth, okay? So that is the theme of the flow cytometry or flow cytometer. Thank you.